Hello kids, today we are going to have a quiz for the students of class 7. Subject is SST and civics, lesson number 4, growing up as boys and girls. There will be a quiz of 10 MCQ questions and you have to give the answer. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is generally given to boys to play? Car, doll, house making implements, kitchen implements. And the right answer is car. This is a general difference where gender discriminations start to grow up. Boys are given cars and girls are given dolls to play. Question number 2. Who has stopped discrimination on gender basis? Gender means a discrimination on the basis of boys or girls. Government, state, constitution, court. And the right answer is constitution. How much reservation is given to women in local self-government? 33%, 10%, 50%, 45%. And the right answer is 33%. No value is generally given to official work, household works, factory work, none of these. And the answer is household works done by commonly female members of the family. Question number 5. Major activities of the people of Soman Island. Agriculture, dairy farming, fishing, none of these. And the right answer is fishing. People of Soman Islands lies in Pacific Ocean do mostly the activities of fishing for their livelihood. Children care centers set up by government in villages are Pakhwada, Anganwadis, play school, none of these. And the right answer is Anganwadis. Question number 7. Soman Islands are the part of Pacific Ocean, Red Sea, Atlantic Ocean, none of these. And the right answer is Pacific Ocean. We read earlier the people of Soman Islands do the fishing activities. Then I told you it lies in the Pacific Oceans. Let's move to question number 8. What is the full form of SDG? Sustainable Development Goals, Sustainable Desired Goals, Super Development Goals, none of these. And the right answer is Sustainable Development Goals. Such goals may help to reduce the gender discrimination. What are the total number of spent by women in Haryana in a week? 53, 23, 30 hours or 38 hours. And the right answer is 53 hours spent by women in doing the household chores in a week. A report done in 1998 to 1999. Let's move to last question. The term double burden is generally referred to women, men, children, none of these. And the right answer is women. General burden doing the household works and the official works when they go outside to earn money. Hope you must enjoy the test. Keep learning, keep practicing. Take care and goodbye.